Welcome class to our Logic Designs YouTube channel. Today we are back with another SolidWorks 3D modeling tutorial video. As you know, at the starting of this video tutorial, today we create a simple industrial component with some simple steps. From today's video tutorial, we added real view graphics to our model. So because of real view graphics, we get the best viewing experience, quality of video and clearing visible actual rendering effect to our 3D model. So get ready for best viewing experience of SolidWorks 3D modeling. So let's get started our today's video tutorial. First, we create new SolidWorks document. For that, press Ctrl+N button from your computer keyboard. Here I am pressing Ctrl+N button for new SolidWorks document. So you can see here new SolidWorks document window is now open. Now select part for creating 3D model. Here I am selecting part and click on OK option. Wait for few seconds to load SolidWorks 3D modeling user interface. So this is SolidWorks 3D modeling user interface, and you can see on left side of the computer screen our today's video tutorial topic or a drawing. First, read all drawing dimensions from given drawing. Here I am reading all dimensions. It helps to creating a 3D model without errors. We creating this model on right plane because our V angle is perpendicular to the right plane. So creating one simple rectangle of 165 by 16 mm dimensions. So select first right plane for creating rectangle. Go to sketch option. Now sketch is activated. Create first center point rectangle. Here I am creating one rectangle and give smart dimension. Horizontal dimension is 165 mm. Okay, 165. Now vertical dimension 16 mm. Now our sketch is fully defined. Now next one, extrude this object by using features and extrude boss base. Select reverse direction. Okay, and select contours. The contours is automatic selected by software. Then put here 56 mm extrude. Okay, now our box is created by using extrude command. Next one, we need to create and circle up to 75 mm from left side. Now go to the sketch and select front face to creating these circles. Now go to the sketch, select this front face and press Ctrl+8 button for normal to. Now adjust the sketch, select circles and create two random circles. Here I am creating two random circles. Now put here smart dimensions, first 25 mm diameter and then 50 mm diameter. 50 mm. Now horizontal distance from left to center point of this circle is 75 mm. Then vertical distance from bottom face to the center of the circle, put here 36 mm. Now our sketch is fully defined. Now go to the features and extrude boss base. Now Ctrl+7 button for isometric view. Now put here 5 mm at front side and select direction 2 and put here 61 mm. Total length is 66 mm. Now okay, I can see here cylindrical portion is now created on top face. Now next one, we need to create this ellipse. For that, select circles front face and center point arc. Select center of previous circles. Now create an arc as per our video tutorial. Here I am creating arc. Now okay, this arc is called as slot. Now put your first center line, this center to this center. Okay, now next one, put here smart dimensions of this arc. Put here radius 90 mm and radius 60 mm. 60, 90 first, then 60 mm radius. 60. Okay, now our sketch is fully defined. Our slot is created. Now extrude this slot up to 17 mm. Before that, we also create those 512 mm holes in extrude cut or extrude boss base. So we can creating those holes by using hole wizard only. Now extrude this slot by using extrude boss base. The slot is automatically selected by software. Select reverse direction and put here 17 mm. Extrude. Okay, now click on OK option. Now our slot is created. Next one, we need to create those bonds between this cylindrical portion and this slot. For that, select bottom plate front face. Select bottom plate front face. Now Ctrl+8 button for normal to. First, convert all entities, all required entities. Here I am selected all required entities. Now OK option. Now create first line from this cylindrical portion, vertical line. Okay, next one, horizontal line. For that, select line and create one random horizontal line. Take reference. Okay, now next one, smart dimension. Put here 27 mm vertical distance. Now center line. Okay, now again offset entities. Select the center line and select check bidirectional and put here 15 mm because total distance is 30 mm. Okay, now next one, close last one entity. Okay, done. Now next one, trim out all unwanted area or a portion from a sketch. Here I am trimming out all unwanted area. Trim out one by one. Okay, Here I am trimming out all unwanted area. Okay, delete some constraints, unwanted constraints. Again, trim. Now go to the display and delete relations. Create full defined sketch. Select a vertical line and OK. Now our sketch is fully defined. Now extrude this up to 12 mm by using features, extrude boss base. Okay, but here sketch is automatically selected by software. But one sketch distance is 56 mm as per our drive, and two sketch distance is 12 mm extrude. That's why we select those required contours. Select this one and this one and put here 12 mm reverse direction. Okay, we can extrude the other one in next extrude command. Okay, for that we need to activate previous sketch. For that, go to the tree, select sketch 5 and right mouse button click and select show option. Now our previous sketch is displayed now. Now go to the extrude boss base and select required sketch. Now reverse direction and put here array up to surface, up to next surface. For that we need to select surface back side of this bottom plate. You can see here extrude is now displayed up to selected surface. Here we go, our extrude portion is now created. Now hide the sketch, follow the same procedure, show and hide. Now next one, we need to create holes. For that you need to select top face of bottom plate. Okay, two holes of 5 16 mm and 4 holes of 5 12 mm. Okay, on slot. First go to the sketch, select sketch and select this top face and adjust the sketch as per our viewing angle. Now select point and create one point. Okay, now next one, give smart dimension to this point. Put here vertical distance 25 mm and horizontal distance is same 25 mm. Okay, here I am putting 25 mm. Now our point is fully defined. Now next one, create one center line. Okay, for mirror this point. You can also directly create one point by using smart dimensions. Now mirror this point by using mirror command. Now point is mirrored now. Okay, now we need to create next 4 points for 512 mm diameter holes on this slot. Here I am selecting sketch and select front face of the slot. Now go to the center line first to define position of these points. Here I am creating center line from slot center and previous circle centers. Okay, vertical and horizontal center line. Now next one, create center point arc. Okay, create same procedure as per our video tutorial. Set here for construction. Now OK. Now go to the center line again and create two lines up to arc. Okay, again center line up to arc. Then put your smart dimensions 30 degree. Okay, this is also 30 degree. And I am putting 30 degree 30. Now adjust the drawing annotations. Now we got the 4 points for holes. Now exit the sketch for hole wizard. Now go to the features for hole wizard. First we creating on 512 mm diameter holes. Hole, select hole type, third type, then asymmetric and dowel holes and select 512 mm. Now position, then go to 3D sketch and select those 4 points which one created previously. Okay. Now go to the OK option. You can see here our 4 holes of 512 mm diameter is now created. Now again hole wizard, select third type and put here 16 mm diameter. Now position, go to 3D sketch and select these points. Now OK. I can see here 16 mm holes are also created in our sketch. Now hide the previous sketches to finishing the our object sketch or a modeling. You can see here our model is now created, but one fillet is remaining. Now go to fillet and put here 6 mm. Okay. Now select lines, required lines. Okay, as per our drawing. Now OK option. Done. Now friends, our sketch is now converted into 3D model. And I can see here I am rotating our component by using rotate command. That's it class. This is an industrial component which one created in SolidWorks. I hope now you can understand how to create an industrial model in SolidWorks 3D modeling. If you like our today's video tutorial, then like, share and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for notification of latest video. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe.